Imagine cruising through your city, not just saving money, but also saving the planet. Electric cars are redefining what it means to drive smart. Unlike petrol or diesel vehicles, they generate zero tailpipe emissions, helping keep the air cleaner and reducing your carbon footprint every mile. But the benefits don't stop with the environment. Electric cars are also kinder to your wallet. Charging is often cheaper than fueling up, and with fewer moving parts, maintenance costs drop dramatically. Say goodbye to oil changes and expensive repairs. Your electric vehicle keeps things simple, efficient, and stress-free. What about performance? Electric cars deliver instant acceleration, a silent ride, and smooth handling. Technology features come standard, putting control and comfort right at your fingertips. Every journey in an electric car feels responsible and rewarding. Cleaner air, lower costs,
Minimal hassle.
and a driving experience that's always exciting. Choosing electric means stepping into the future with confidence. You're not just making a smart financial decision, you're joining a movement towards sustainability and innovation. The switch to electric starts with curiosity and ends with empowerment. Isn't it time to leave petrol and diesel behind and drive forward?